This is Drew, Noonstar midfielder. Drew, we just lost our first game, and if we were to play this game over, why you think we would have done different?
To be quite honest, there are many things we could have done on the field, but I think the main problem was the lack of rest we had.
Okay.
If we had to do this any different, we would have planned the trip a little better. We would have came and got enough rest. You know, having said that, the midfield in the first game was too open. We only had one guy in the middle, and with a bad field, it was hard for him to gain control of the ball as well as look for pass.
Okay.
So the adjustment we did in the second half, which made a little difference, was we put two in the middle, right? So we have two midfielders who are able to spread the ball from side to side without just one midfielder having to do that. So we're going to go into this game playing the same formation with two in the middle, and that should make a difference.
All right, thank you so much.